Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're logged in and on a video that allows clips. Good. First, click the scissors clip icon under the player. That opens the clip editor. Once open, you'll see a 5-60-second selector and a preview. Drag the ends to set start and end times or type values for precision. Make sure the snippet captures the exact moment you want. This step starts the clip. It defines the content and length, so take a quick look at the preview before moving on. Once you've locked the timing, refine the clip. Drag the handles slowly for precise trimming. If you need exactity, nudge by typing times. Then add a short, descriptive title that tells viewers why this moment matters. Titles improve clicks and context. Preview the clip end-to-end to confirm flow and audio sync. If dialogue is cut off, extend the end by a second or two. This middle stage is about polish, timing, title, and a quick review before publishing. Now publish the clip and watch it appear with a link back to the full video. This preserves credit to the creator. Share the clip URL or use the embed code. Viewers who click watch the clip first, then can go to the full video. If the clip button is missing, it often means the creator disabled clips or the video type doesn't support them. In that case, use a timestamped share as a fallback. If publishing fails, retry after clearing cache or updating the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.